I have a lot of art supplies to unbox today, and some of it arrived earlier, and I was waiting for my last package to arrive so that I can finally make this unboxing video. So I have all the supplies with me, and I'm so excited to finally make this video. So let's get started. So I have 3 new oil paints. Actually, I wanted Winsor and Newton ones, but they did not have these 2 shades, which is, this is a purple violet shade, Huile Fine, and another one, this is from Pebeo. I don't know if it is the right pronunciation, but it's from Pebeo XL, and this one is from Deller and Rowley. This is French Ultramarine, this is violet, and also I have some lemon hue. Also these 2 new colors, one is Emrald Green and soft mixing white. Then I have some fluid mask for watercolors. This is from Brustro, and also I'll link all the items below in the caption. One thing which I was waiting the most, the Mission watercolors. You know, this is professional quality. This is a pack of 18 colors. And I might make a swatching video of this one. This finally arrived. Then next up I have some oil pastels, which this is an experiment. Actually, I have not used oil paints since my childhood, I guess. But yeah, I wanted to try them. This is also from Sennelier, and it is a pack of 24 colors. I think that was the perfect amount. They also have 12 colors and 48. So I thought, let's go with 24. So I bought this. Next up, I have some brushes. And the first one which I have is from Stationere. These are the Petal brushes, and it is a set of 5. So they look something like this. Like this. They are like angled brushes. I hope you can see this, like this, angled brushes. And they are synthetic brushes. Also, they were very kind, and they sent me this 8 number mop brush. And this, I'm excited to try this with my new Mission Mijello colors. I really don't know the pronunciation of these companies. Okay, next up we have some mop brushes from Brustro, and this is a set of 4 brushes, number 0, 2, 4 and 8. This is also, these are real hair brushes. I've never tried them before, so I'm excited to try this as well. Next up, there is this one brush from Deller and Rowley. This is a 1 number brush, and just to make that fine lines. And also, so yeah, I wanted a brush because I also got some other brushes from Deller and Rowley, but they are all like small tipped, so I wanted one for like hair and stuff. Next up, we have some brushes from Deller and Rowley, and this is, I think, my most expensive brush set yet. And I am not sure if I'm that happy, or means by looking at these brushes. I mean, some of it is nice, like this filbert brush. These look exactly like makeup brushes. I mean, the quality is so nice, but I don't know if I will have to try and see if they are worth it. But yeah, I got 5 brushes, like a angled brush, a flat brush, a round brush, and this is also a round brush in the number 0, and this is a filbert brush. So these set I got from Deller and Rowley, including this. This is from their Aquafine line, and these are from the System 3 line. Then next up we have the showstopper. I also got some stuff from Gamblin. These are from a brand called, from a website called Art Lounge. And I got three Gamblin products. One is this Glykd Medium. This is also used, this is used to thin it. I think it works like linseed oil, which I used to use earlier. But I wanted to try Gamblin products for my next art project. So this one I got. And then this is Gamsol. This works as turpentine. But these all are like 100% odorless and like solvent free. I mean, I don't know exactly. I'll have to look into this. And next up, I have this solvent free gel. They also have a bigger one, but since I'm trying this for the first time, I got the small one. So these are my 3 products from Gamblin. Also, I bought 2 types of varnishes. One is, both of them are from Winsor and Newton, but one is Artist Gloss Varnish and the another one is Satin Varnish. My battery died, so I'm gonna record on my phone. Also, there is a lot of noise outside, so I don't know if you can hear this. Probably you can hear it, but I think we'll have to work with that. Also, then where I was, I think these 2 products from Winsor and Newton. And I have a brush cleaner. This is from the brand called The Masters. So also this is my first time using a brush cleaner. I used to just wash it with turpentine. So I think I'll try this, and yeah, I have heard very nice reviews about this. I'm not sure if this is going to work, but let's see, because I have some pretty like bad brushes with me. Next up, I have this Catalyst Wedge tool. So this is like a silicone tool. This is number 6. So this is just to glide my gesso. And next up, I have some acrylic color inks. These are also from the brand called Brustro. I have a lot of products from Brustro. I've earlier used their acrylic paints. I also have their like the long wand brushes with me. Next up, also, we have a color set which is from the brand Winsor and Newton. I think by now you can tell which are my 2 favorite brands. One is Winsor and Newton and the another one is Brustro. I'm also very excited to try Gamblin because it's not so famous in India, but I've heard of it a lot. Like from the people whose vlogs I watch. So they also use these products. So I was very excited to try them. I'm glad I got my hands on them. So next is Winsor and Newton Guache. I've never used Guache as well. This was a gift actually. It's not my purchase. But this is a set of, I think it's a set of 10, yeah, 14 ml ones. And this is like the professional quality ones. I think I should have tried the Himi Guache before. But I mean, like, let's just go for it. Let's see, next up we have a brush, flat brush from Stationere. This is a new website which I searched, and they have almost every product at the best price, I must say. Like मैंने बहुत जगह पे देखा है, but मेरे को उनके इधर का प्राइस सबसे सही लगा. And this brush, I just wish the shape would be better, but anyways, it's a long brush. I can use this. I'll mostly use it to varnish my big paintings, and these bristles are very nice, soft. Next up, I have this is just a mod Podge, which is basically used to varnish acrylic paintings. So I got this from Fevicryl, and I think I got this offline only. And next, I have Mont Marte's leafing size. What is leafing size? Okay, this is to use like gold leaves, silver leaves. I have created a painting like a leaves painting, and I was thinking to use like silver leafing on that, silver or copper maybe. So I'm not sure, but I was thinking of using leafing. So I got that, and that's it for this haul. I hope you enjoyed it.